Virtual Beings News Summary August 23, 2025. Riot Games extends IP into music via Heartsteel, a virtual group voiced by human artists and embedded in mainstream releases, demonstrating how game-born personas function as durable entertainment brands that traverse platforms and formats without relying on human performers' on-screen presence. Triple Minds operationalizes the production and scaling of AI influencers with Influencers Gone Wild, while named synthetic creators like Kenzaleli and Itana illustrate current practice, photoreal or stylized virtual personas posting, partnering, and monetizing across social networks. The same commercialization logic extends to retail live streams in China, where virtual human sales hosts are reported to surpass human sellers on performance metrics. UBS applies avatarized analysts to present equity research and strategy insights, converting expert commentary into consistent, on-demand synthetic briefings that can be localized, versioned, and distributed through client channels without scheduling constraints on human presenters. Animoca Brand's ecosystem touchpoint through Mocha Network and Virtuals Protocol is positioned toward portable avatar identity and asset layers, while Furrow frames NFTs as evolving 3D companions that learn with their owners, and Oxu links virtual pets to i8 and BNB chain for data-driven interactions. Together these cases show identity, ownership, and persistence architectures enabling synthetic characters to carry memory and value across environments. Inzoi's SmartZoi advanced character AI and content updates foreground agentic NPC behaviors in a life sim context, where avatar sociality and responsiveness are product features rather than research demos, marking ongoing convergence between character AI and consumer gameplay loops. Jolly Research and Immersive Enterprise Laboratories present real-time, non-linear facial animation workflows for Unreal-based production, and Sony references Mockingbird technologies for speech generation and facial animation, together indicating a production stack where automated lip sync, expression control, and voice/face alignment shorten iteration cycles for digital human performance across games, VFX, and interactive media. Apple's Vision Pro persona provides a system-level avatar for video calls, mainstreaming a privacy-mediated, photoreal presence that stands in for the wearer in meetings and calls, and setting expectations for first-party avatar fidelity and ease of use within a general-purpose computing platform. Human digital twins are advanced as individualized simulators for health trajectories and treatment planning, representing a technical lineage of digital humans aimed at biomedical decision support rather than social companionship, yet sharing requirements for fidelity, personalization, and longitudinal memory. Replika exemplifies memorial applications where deadbots create interactive stand-ins for the deceased, raising concrete issues about consent, psychological impact, and policy boundaries when synthetic personas appropriate identity and likeness for intimate, ongoing interactions. Virtual beings in entertainment and gaming are represented through several concrete developments. Roblox announced an upcoming in-experience avatar switcher, enabling users to change avatars directly within a game environment, providing more flexibility in customizing identity across experiences. Unreal Engine's MetaHuman Creator continues to serve as a foundation for creating lifelike digital humans, with forum users reporting its use for both player characters and NPCs in Unreal Engine 5.6, including optimization issues and export problems. In the gaming job market, Genies promotes its avatar framework, which underpins its AI-driven avatars branded as parties, emphasizing interactive avatar experiences as part of its core offering. Meanwhile, Homa Games, a global mobile developer, has positioned AI-driven art and gaming experiences at the center of its creative mission, producing over 80 titles and billions of downloads, reflecting the scaling role of AI avatars and character systems in mainstream mobile gaming. Reddit discussions also highlighted community debates over attractive avatars in PC gaming, underscoring the cultural dimension of avatar aesthetics in shaping player engagement. A number of platforms are advancing technologies for digital humans and avatars. Gen AI released Infinite Talk as an open-source framework supporting digital humans, avatars, and virtual creators, with a focus on lip synchronization and generative conversation capabilities. Comfy AI Run contributed the Ultralight Digital Human Comfy UI custom node, designed to enhance the Ultralight Digital Human framework by integrating with Comfy UI for more efficient virtual human rendering. Antix, working within the Web3 ecosystem, is building infrastructure for ownership and interaction with AI-driven digital humans, seeking to establish governance and utility rails for their future integration. Separately, Everyday AI published a curated list of the top 21 AI avatar generators in 2025, emphasizing the wide availability of realistic, cartoon, and 3D avatar creation tools for social media and branding purposes. Moises AI Studio has promoted its environment as a collaborative AI platform for creative applications, including songwriting, positioning it as an AI-driven tool for synthetic creative agents. Corporate and professional applications of digital humans and avatars are also expanding. The Global Digital Human Resource Transformation and Analytics Forum 2025, organized by Corporate World Intelligence, CWI, brought together stakeholders to explore how digital humans can reshape HR processes, highlighting their role in analytics and workforce transformation across the Middle East. Meanwhile, an archive paper titled Organ Agents, Virtual Human Physiology Simulator via LLMs, presented a research application in which large language models simulate human physiology through virtual human agents, demonstrating use in scientific modeling and educational contexts. On the commercial side, Chinese companies have advanced virtual human salespeople, which are reported to be outperforming their human counterparts, signaling a practical shift in retail and e-commerce where synthetic employees increase efficiency and reduce costs. Within cultural and online communities, avatars and virtual beings are intertwined with identity and creative expression. TikTok content from creators such as Nyaners and independent VTubers highlighted the ongoing popularity of VTuber performance culture, showcasing humorous clips, live interactions, and anime-inspired personas. The Korea Virtual Human Industry Association, KOVIA, collaborated with the Medici Education Center and the South Korean Ministry of Employment and Labor to host training programs and mentorship sessions focused on 3D character creation, explicitly targeting the VTuber and metaverse industries, reflecting governmental and institutional support for developing skills in the virtual human sector. Hacker News discussions noted the use of AI-generated avatars such as a personalized Clippy, highlighting how communities engage with avatar personalization as both protest and play. At Expo Pavilion Null 2, visitors experienced Mirrored Body, a digital human designed for interactive dialogue, highlighting its role as a cultural attraction and showcasing immersive communication modes within a futuristic setting. Similarly, Bilibili B has been testing virtual VTubers, capable of providing emotional companionship through AI-driven anime-assisted creation, expanding the entertainment ecosystem by blending fandom culture with artificial intelligence. In another cultural development, the virtual digital human was integrated as the official Smart National Games Assistant for the 15th National Games in Guangzhou, offering event information, venue navigation, and cultural explanations. This assistant runs on the self-developed Xiaoqi large model, embedding digital humans into national sporting events as guides and cultural interpreters. Additionally, Xiaoyu Interactive and Matchbox Culture jointly launched a virtual boy band, leveraging voice synthesis, hyper-realistic rendering, and VR technologies to advance the virtual idol industry, demonstrating how synthetic characters have become central to popular culture and fan engagement. China Mobile Hong Kong, CMHK, presented highly human-like AI digital employees at the Belt and Road Software Expo, Hong Kong, 2025, built on multimodal intelligent agents, hyper-realistic voice interaction, and 3D virtual figure technologies. These digital humans are designed for corporate service integration, covering customer service, product marketing, and brand IP development. CMHK also positioned AI digital humans as one of 4 key enterprise solutions, alongside cybersecurity, low-altitude economy, and smart health kiosks, emphasizing their role in business digitalization. In Wuxi, government services introduced over 20 digital humans, including virtual hosts and intelligent customer service agents, to improve accessibility and service efficiency. One notable example was the AI digital butler Fubao, deployed on Wuxi's online intermediary supermarket platform, where it enabled the first digital human plus online bidding project in the province, reducing costs by 15% and shortening the selection cycle by more than a day. Companies are also adapting AI avatars for market research, as seen in German firms using synthetic data to generate customer avatars, applying them in business intelligence and consumer analysis. Tianwei Video integrated AI large model technologies to create television-based AI voice digital humans and voice assistants, illustrating the spread of synthetic characters into broadcast media. These services exemplify how digital humans are being embedded into everyday consumer technologies, bridging interactive AI companionship with traditional television formats. NetEase Cloud Music launched the Cloud Village Study Room, where users adopt customizable virtual avatars to enter themed roles, creating a sense of companionship and community in an online study space. The platform also tracks study time, generates monthly learning reports, and provides leaderboards, blending gamification with avatar-driven identity play. Separately, the former AltSpace team developed Burner Sphere, a VR social platform designed to replicate the Burning Man experience. While prioritizing non-commercial, community-driven values, Burner Sphere enables members to embody virtual identities in immersive environments, requiring an annual membership fee for partial access, underlining how avatars anchor social interaction in virtual community building. In Chengdu, Xiaoyu Universe developed the Boda AI Digital Human Integrated Machine, which features a 3D cartoon digital human named Big-Eyed Deer. This system was deployed at the Chengdu Natural History Museum, where visitors interacted with the character in real time, showcasing new modes of digital cultural tourism. The company also presented its MOS system and positioned its Boda platform as a tool for enhancing museum experiences through digital human interaction, marking a push toward AI-driven cultural engagement in public venues. In Beijing, Zhangzhe Group introduced an AI digital human-based intelligent recruitment system. This system uses multimodal evaluation technologies to create precise candidate profiles and improve fairness in recruitment processes. Additionally, Beijing International Human Resources demonstrated AI digital human interaction integrated into recruitment solutions, emphasizing how AI avatars can support HR decision-making and streamline hiring processes. The Beijing Economic Technological Development Area also announced a procurement project for a digital human construction and management solution, signaling municipal-level investment in digital human infrastructure. In Fuzhou, Fujian Medical University Meng Chao Hepatobiliary Hospital deployed a digital human powered by DeepSeek technology on an electronic screen in its outpatient building. This AI digital human was designed to patiently answer patients' medical inquiries, illustrating the role of digital avatars in healthcare navigation and patient communication. The use case highlights how AI digital humans can reduce the burden on hospital staff while improving patient access to reliable information. In Changsha, immersive Red Theater projects used holographic projection and virtual digital humans to enhance traditional opera performances. By integrating virtual avatars with light and shadow technologies, productions recreated revolutionary narratives in engaging, interactive formats. These performances were supported by local media platforms, including Hunan Broadcasting System and Mango TV, which promoted Red Opera through dedicated programming and digital human applications. This initiative illustrates how virtual humans are being integrated into cultural heritage projects to expand audience engagement. Government and regional reports in both Hunan and Fujian noted that AI digital human trainers and generative AI system application specialists have been officially listed as new occupations. This formal recognition positions digital human training and deployment as structured career paths, further embedding virtual beings into the labor ecosystem. In Guangdong, entrepreneurs like Zhang Shang have pursued AI ventures since 2013, including founding Lingju Information in Guangzhou. Their work extended into the development of AI digital humans, reflecting the broader ecosystem in the Pearl River Delta where AI avatars are commercialized alongside large models. Reports from Macau linked AI-generated digital humans to significant revenue streams, with Baidu search data indicating that more than 64% of results were AI-generated digital humans, producing nearly 500 million Chinese yuan in Q2 revenue. This underscores how digital humans are not only cultural or technological assets, but also substantial contributors to financial and entertainment sectors in regional markets. In Tianjin, Wenshan Technology Company, Limited, led by founder Feng Gang, has applied digital humans to pre-trial dispute resolution. Their systems assist with certification processes aimed at reducing costs and increasing efficiency in judicial contexts, illustrating a direct use case of digital humans in the legal field. A large body of the provided material is devoted to virtual influencers and their role in marketing. The editorial Virtual Influencers, Definition and Future Research Directions introduces a special issue on how virtual influencers shape consumer engagement and branding. It highlights comparisons between human and virtual influencers, analyses influencer traits, and notes the rise of autonomous virtual influencers as a future research direction. Yixian Li's study in Belief They Thrive shows that consumers who hold strong beliefs in machine capabilities often find virtual influencers more authentic and credible than human influencers. Ayati, Sishawati, and Navrianto's article Virtual Key Opinion Leaders explains that anthropomorphism plays a central role in making audiences feel emotionally connected to AI-generated influencers, with appearance strongly influencing the depth of engagement. Chen, Wang, and Chang also explore perceptions of virtual influencers, noting that they are a polarizing subject in focus group research. Furthermore, Via and Lavanhui's cluster analysis demonstrates how human-like virtual influencers contribute to parasocial interaction in hospitality, where digital celebrities can shape consumer experience and trust. These works together show that virtual influencers are positioned as strategic marketing tools with measurable effects on authenticity, credibility, and emotional connection. The relationship between users and AI companions is addressed by Rada, Chatsidakis, and McLaren in their study of ritual interdependencies among users and their AI companions. They focus on replica, distinguishing it from virtual influencers and avatars, by emphasizing that it is not primarily for marketing or entertainment but instead functions as a digital companion with which users form strong emotional bonds. This highlights a cultural shift in how synthetic characters can play a role in everyday ritual and identity. Additionally, Xu, Mi, Zhang, and Feng examine social presence in virtual online secondhand trading, showing that a heightened sense of presence, often mediated by avatars or virtual identities, can overcome barriers such as lack of trust in transactions. This indicates that virtual representations of self and others influence not just emotional engagement but also concrete consumer decision-making. Dang, Zheng, and Zhou explore how artificial intelligence, including virtual influencers, is entering the tourism sector. They note that generative AI systems like ChatGPT present both opportunities and risks in shaping how tourism products are developed, marketed, and consumed. Virtual influencers here are not only promotional tools but also become part of the digital risk landscape, signaling the broader enterprise application of synthetic characters in industries that rely heavily on consumer trust and authenticity. The Atlas project introduces a parametric human body model that decouples skeletal and shape parameters to improve expressive digital human modeling. It provides a system for high-fidelity human representation from a single RGB image by enabling independent control of body shape and skeleton attributes. This technology underpins the development of more realistic and adaptable avatars, offering improved accuracy in representing human form and motion across applications in entertainment, gaming, and virtual interaction. To make sure you never miss a new video and to help us reach more great viewers like you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon.